Hey guys, what's up? So I just wanted to tell you about something that I find quick and easy when I'm looking for something tasty for lunch or dinner and I don't have time to cook and I'm on the go. I'm actually heating this in the microwave as we speak, so that's what you heard going off was my microwave. So Amy's has these like really great frozen meals and like frozen burritos and stuff, and I believe all their products are 100% vegetarian. I'm sure they have some vegan stuff, but for the most part just vegetarian. So that's great for me. I've been a vegetarian for, oh my goodness, like over 10 years now. It's a really great brand, Amy's. They have all different kinds of frozen meals and stuff like that, but this is one that I recently picked up and I've tried and I've purchased it over and over again. It's Indian Palak Paneer. I do like certain Indian foods. I like spicy foods. I've had paneer in the past, like authentic paneer, and it's so delicious. I actually used to live in a place that was very much like it had a very large Indian population, and there was just restaurants all over the place. And now I don't live there anymore, so it's hard to find something authentic and really good, and this honestly like comes really close to what I was eating as far as paneer, which was one of my favorite Indian meals to get. So just a little bit about Amy's. I think that they have it on the back. They have it on here. I think they had like a little story somewhere on here about their brand. So after the birth of our daughter Amy in 1987, we found there was little time to prepare the quality homemade food we normally eat. Realizing that there were others like ourselves, we set up Amy's Kitchen to prepare delicious meals for those who care about the food they eat but are often too busy to cook. Sounds like my life. We use only the finest ingredients and prepare them with the same careful attention in our kitchen as you would in your own home. No meat, fish, shellfish, poultry, eggs, or peanuts are ever used in any Amy's products. So I just thought that was interesting when I first started purchasing these for myself. And I remember like my mom's vegetarian too, so back when I lived at home with my parents, she would buy these for like if she wasn't going to be home to cook or something, have them in the freezer to have like after school. There's 10 ounces in each, never made with any there's no genetically engineered ingredients, so it's always non-GMO, gluten-free, perishable, keep frozen, of course, microwave or regular oven. Today I don't have time for it. Like it takes a while in the regular oven to make. What I love really is the ingredients. It's like nothing that you can't pronounce. Organic basmati rice, organic spinach, organic onions, filtered water, organic kidney beans, paneer cheese, pasteurized milk, distilled vinegar, and or lactic acid, organic tomato puree, expeller pressed high oleic safflower and or sunflower oil, organic garlic, organic ginger, sea salt, spices, turmeric, which is supposed to be very good for you. That's spice, by the way, turmeric. Organic jalapeno peppers, organic cornstarch, organic black pepper, contains milk. And just like a warning to people with food allergies, the product is made in a facility that also processes foods containing wheat, soy, tree nuts, and seeds, including sunflower seeds. In addition to gluten testing, strict allergen control measures are implemented at all levels of production. Amy's Kitchen does not use any peanuts, fish, shellfish, or eggs. So super easy. I put it in the microwave oven, make a 1-inch slit and overwrap. I did not listen to that. I just always take the whole plastic wrap off, and then I have like one of these that I put over it in the microwave so it doesn't splatter. Cook on high for 4 minutes. Let sit for 1 minute and serve. Conventional oven. You could preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove overwrap, cover tray with foil, and place on a baking sheet. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Let sit 1 minute. Serve. And then the same like kind of if you have a toaster oven, not like the pull down toasters obviously, but one that you could heat like an oven. So the most popular of all Indian dishes is Palak Paneer. In developing this meal for Amy's, we tried many recipes, and our favorite was given to us by friends who came to America from the Punjab region of northern India. The smooth, creamy Palak Paneer, made from organic spinach and soft Indian cheese, is lightly seasoned with authentic Indian herbs and spices that are carefully roasted by hands. Rajma dal, made from organic red kidney beans and a ginger garlic sauce, and tender organic basmati rice complete this meal. So really good. Creamed spinach and cheese with rice and rajma dal, made with organic spinach, rice, and beans. Really good. So I don't know if I heated this enough. I might have to throw it in the microwave a little longer. Let's take a look. I feel like frozen meals don't always look the best. but trust me, it's delicious. So there's the paneer right here. Just gonna mix it around already and a little bit and throw it in the microwave a little bit longer. The kidney beans here. Oh, let's take a look at the nutrition facts. So 1 meal, 300 calories. Honestly, not bad for 1 meal. I'm not going to be eating anything till dinner. So total fat, 11 grams. Carbohydrate, 38 grams. Of course, high in carbs with the rice and the beans and stuff. 12 grams of protein, which is good for me because, like I said, I'm vegetarian. Sometimes it's harder for us to get our protein. Yeah. So I'm just going to throw this in a little bit longer. Alright, so I just threw this in the microwave a little longer, mixed it around. I know it doesn't look like the most appetizing thing, but trust me guys, it is delicious. I love all their meals. They have other, like ravioli, Italian, Mexican dishes. Amy's is so good. So I hope you guys try out Amy's frozen meals, specifically the Indian Palak Paneer, and I hope you love it. Bye guys.